we have the current stock market update for MicroStrategy Incorporated, stock ticker MSTR. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is a bit of a shorter term time frame. This is the 30-minute price chart. So each candle here represents a 30-minute trading period. And as we can see, the stock has made another push higher above these prior all-time highs, which came in at 267.89. I do think that a lot of this upward price movement that we're seeing here is actually based on the presidential election, as strange as that sounds. Donald Trump, during his campaign, did make it very clear that he wanted to be he wanted the United States to be as pro-cryptocurrency as possible. That was a major divergence from the prior administration where, I never heard Joe Biden mention the word Bitcoin one time. I can't remember hearing anything like that from him. I definitely didn't hear Kamala Harris use the word Bitcoin ever. I'm not even sure that they know what it is. So, the fact that we're actually starting to see, a presidential administration that is sort of embracing this financial technology is definitely interesting, and the market is responding here. These price movements here, it's not just MicroStrategy on its own. It's obviously Bitcoin as well. Mara Holdings, Riot Platforms. There are several names. Coinbase. There are several names that are benefiting from this, and it makes sense that they would benefit from this. I don't think there's much of a reason to think that anything different would be happening. But the question here for all of these assets is, which of these price movements are sustainable and which ones are not sustainable? And in my view, MicroStrategy is the worst stock of the group. And there are several people in the comments section that sort of, I'm getting accused of like having a short position and things like that. I wouldn't necessarily open a short position in MicroStrategy. And number one, I would tell you if I did. I don't have any reason to hide that. People really seem to like a mystery. People seem to like to think that they figured out some sort of mystery, like this guy actually has a short position and he's not telling us. I don't have any reason to hide that information. I would be more than happy to just say so, but I wouldn't necessarily short MicroStrategy unless I was doing it as part of a pair trade. Okay, I don't know if people understand what that means, but you sort of take two different assets and you trade them from two different sides. So one position that I do actually recommend would be to short MicroStrategy and go long Bitcoin at the same time. And the reason that you would do something like that would be one, you're benefiting from the underlying changes in Bitcoin valuations. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, you're able to be long Bitcoin in that situation. But then at the same time, you're also betting on the closing of the gap between MicroStrategy and the underlying price of Bitcoin. And that is important because, as I've explained many times, the overall market cap of this company just does not make sense in terms of the amount of Bitcoin they currently hold. I'm sorry, but it's just not true. The numbers just don't add up. And this is very basic math. All you have to do is look at the market cap and then compare that to the Bitcoin holdings. This really isn't rocket science. It's very basic. And I think a lot of people were sucked into this MicroStrategy trade early on. And I think that it happened because, in the beginning, when a lot of this was happening, I don't know if people are even old enough to remember this, but when a lot of this was happening, it was more difficult to buy Bitcoin. And a lot of people just didn't even know how to do it. I mean, Coinbase hasn't always been around in the capacity that it's around right now, or any of the other platforms. It wasn't always as easy to buy Bitcoin, and a lot of people were afraid of doing it. So what they did is they used MicroStrategy as a proxy. They saw that this guy was buying all this Bitcoin and they thought, okay, I'll just buy the stock. That's easier. It's in the stock market. That seems safer. There's a lot more regulation in that part of the market and things like that. So in some way, I suppose you could make the argument that it would make sense. Although I still think that that's a bit of a stretch because these people should have still been able to, make their way to the Bitcoin assets themselves and just be able to purchase them on their own. As all of that happened, the underlying valuation of MicroStrategy got completely out of control, and it's just totally out of whack with where it should be based on the amount of Bitcoin that it holds. I haven't heard one person in the comment section say one word about the software business. Okay, which is how this company started in the first place. No one seems to ascribe any valuation to that whatsoever. No one seems to care about that. It's only the Bitcoin holdings. So why not just hold Bitcoin on your own? So, the people that are accusing me of having a short position, number one, I do not. Number two, I would only recommend doing something like this. This is a volatile asset. I'm not going to recommend shorting a stock that can go crazy at pretty much any time and has a long history of being insanely overvalued. It's just not a situation you want to get into unless you're hedging that bet with as a pair trade. Okay, so people need to be perfectly clear. Louise, I'm talking about you specifically. I think Charles Miller is another one. There are several people. I'm forgetting other ones too, but just think about what you're saying and actually listen to the video before you make these comments. So just to close out the video here, the main price level to the downside that I'm watching here does come in at this 259.60 area. The reason that I point to this area is because this is a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this most recent trending move higher. And then in addition to that, you've also got this 50 period exponential moving average that's coming right into contact with this area. So you've got a couple of signals that are sort of overlapping with each other and suggesting that this is an important price zone. Now, you could see share prices bounce from here and make a new all-time high. I'm not saying it's impossible. That's not what we're doing here. We're not trying to predict the future. We're looking at what the market does, and then we're making a reaction, a strategy that reacts to these scenarios. So if we do, but we could foreseeably bounce from here, or we can also break below here. And then what I'm saying is that would be a fairly negative signal. I think at the very least, you're looking at roughly 245.90 next to the downside, and you could be looking at a broader retracement of this entire trending move here. Just finally, just before I close the video here, I will quickly look at the indicator reading here as well, because there is a lot of negative momentum that is currently governing the stock. I mean, it is balanced out by this longer term bullish trajectory that is here. So this is a bit more bullish than bearish, but we can't just simply ignore the fact that that shorter term negative price trends here are starting to occur. We're starting to see negative movements in the downside direction. And if we look at the indicator reading here on the 30-minute price chart, I mean, that is a massive divergence. That is a massive bearish divergence here. Because we're looking at share prices that are trading near their highs, and the indicator reading itself, not really showing that same type of reading. So here's the current stock market update for MicroStrategy Incorporated, stock ticker MSTR. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.